Ask me what key replacement means to you.
What key replacement?
Say what's key replacement mean to me?
What does key replacement mean to me?
Kevin, good question. Have you ever lost a key before?
No, sir.
Okay, you are one lucky individual. Any idea what it would cost to replace a key fob should you lose one?
About a couple hundred.
A couple hundred might be on the low side. Those key fobs are mini computers. All right, they have chips in them. Those chips talk to the chip in the engine. It requires programming like a computer does. So it's going to be expensive. Now, you might say to yourself, well, gee, I've got another key. You only need one to drive the car, right? Even if you don't pay to have it replaced, you're going to pay for it sooner or later, Kevin. Kevin, when you trade in a car or you sell a car outright, private sale, the buyer is always going to want to know how many keys you have. Literally, the more keys you have to your vehicle, the more valuable your vehicle. When someone purchases a used vehicle, normally they're going to want 2 keys. So, our key replacement is going to make sure you've always got 2 keys at no cost to you. Instead of paying $300, you'll pay nothing. Instead of having to take an Uber or a Lyft or a taxi or rent a car, we're going to pay for substitute transportation for you. If you lose your entire key ring, we'll pay for an additional $200 for other keys on your key ring. If you need a locksmith to get into your house, we'll pay for a locksmith to get into your house or your car. That's what key replacement does for you, Kevin. It's complimentary for a year, and you can extend that coverage out to 5. So you just have to you have to tell more of a story. If they've paid to have a key replaced, it's a slam dunk. You can create value really easy for them. Okay, if they haven't, you have to work a little bit harder at it. Got it?